Our next topic is elapsed time. Students, whenever we do something, some activity or some work or some studies or something, we always have a start time and end time. That means we start our work at some time and we end our work at some time. So the duration between this start time and end time, that means the time for which we have done that work, is known as elapsed time. For example, let's for example, let's take your classes. Your maths class starts at 9 a.m. and ends at 9:40 a.m. So the duration between this, that is 40 minutes, this is known as your elapsed time. Let's understand elapsed time with the help of few examples. Example 1 says Saqib was working in a garden from 2:40 pm until 5:40 pm. How long was he working in the garden? So students, here we have been given with the start timing and end timing. We have to find out the elapsed time, that is the time between 2:40 to 5:40. So what we will do for that? First we will draw a simple line. Now at this line we will mark the start timing and the end timing. So start timing was 2:40 pm and our end timing was 5:40 pm. Now we have to calculate the timing between this. How we will do this? Let's see. First, from 2:40 we will move towards our nearest complete timing, that will be your 3. Then from 3 we will move towards 4, from 4 towards 5, and from 5 to 5:40. Now from 2:40 to 3, how much time is there? How much time is covered? That is 20 minutes. Now from 3 to 4, 1 hour. 4 to 5, again 1 hour. And 5 to 5:40 is your 40 minutes. Now what we will do? We will add up all these to get our complete elapsed time. So first we will add the minutes together and then hours. So how many minutes we have? 20 minutes and 40 minutes. So 20 plus 40 is your 60 minutes. And how many hours we have? 1 hour plus 1 hour, that is your 2 hours. So 2 hours. Now we know that 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. So we will regroup it into hours. So our answer will be 3 hours. Thus, Saqib was working in the garden for 3 hours. Now let's see one more example of the same type. A cricket game started at 10:35 am and ended at 2:50 pm. How long did the game last? So again, first we will draw a line. On the line we will mark the start timing and the end timing. So start timing was 10:35 am and the end timing was 2:50 pm. Now again, first we will go from 10:35 to the nearest close timing, that is your 11. Then from 11 to 12. Now from 12 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 2:50. Now let's just calculate. From 10:35 am to 11, it will be your 25 minutes. If you are having confusion in this, you can simply subtract 10:35 from 11 and you will get your duration. Now from 11 to 12, very simple, 1 hour. Similarly from 12 to 1, again 1 hour. 1 to 2, again 1 hour. Now 2 to 2:50, it is only 50 minutes. Now for the complete duration, elapsed time, we will add up all these. So first we will add up the minutes together. So 25 minutes plus 50 minutes, it will give you 75 minutes. Now 75 minutes, we know that it will be regrouped. It will be regrouped in as 1 hour and 15 minutes. So we will write it like that only. (15 minutes). Now we will add up the hours. So 1 hour, 2 hour and 3 hour. So that means 3 hours. Now we have 1 hour from here also. So our 3 hour will become 4 hours. So we can write our final answer as 4 hours and 15 minutes. So thus the game lasts for 4 hours and 15 minutes. Another example, Rahul started walking from home and reached school at 7:45 am after 1 hour and 20 minutes. At what time he started walking from school? So students, as you can see here we have been given the timing at which he reached school and the timing he took in walking. That means we have been given with the end timing and elapsed timing, and we have to find out the start timing. We will use the same process. Let's see how. First we will draw a line. We don't know our starting time, so we will not write it here. We know our end timing, so we will write our end timing, that is your 7:45. Now we know that he walked for 1 hour and 20 minutes. So we will move backwards from 7:45 to starting time for 1 hour and 20 minutes. So first 1 hour, so 7:45, 1 hour, it will be your 6:45. Now again for 20 minutes. So this was your 1 hour walking and this is our 20 minutes walking. So from 6:45, if we will subtract 20 minutes, we will get 6:25. So that means our start timing is 6:25. That means Rahul started walking from home at 6:25 am. Similarly, let's take one more example. A train started from source station and reached final destination at 6:50 pm. After running for 7 hours and 15 minutes. At what timing the train started moving? So again here we have the reach timing, that is end timing, and the duration, that is the elapsed timing, and we have to find out the start timing. So again we will draw a diagram in the similar way. We will draw a line. We will mark our end timing, that is 6:50 pm. Then we will move 7 hours and 15 minutes backwards. So from 6:50 pm 1 hour back, it will be your 5:50 pm. Then from 5:50 1 hour back, it will be your 4:50 pm. Then again 1 hour back, it will be your 3:50 pm. Then again next 1 hour back, it will be your 2:50 pm. Now till now we have completed 4 hours. We still need to complete 3 more hours. So from 2:50 pm, 1 more hour is your 1:50 pm. Now from 1:50 pm, 1 more hour back will be your 12:50 pm. Now from 12:50 pm, we have to move 1 more hour back, that will be the last 7th hour, and it will be your 11:50 am. Now students, you know that after pm, after 12 o'clock, the pm changes to am. So as we have crossed 12 here, it was 12:50, now it is 11:50. So this pm will automatically change to am. Till here we have completed our 7 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have completed 7 hours. Now 15 minutes are still remaining. So from 11:50 am we will move 15 minutes back, and that will be your 11:35 am. So our final answer will be 11:35 am. The train started moving at 11:35. Now let's take one more example. Sheeba starts her journey back to home from college at 11:15 am and reaches home after 6 hours and 20 minutes. At what time Sheeba reached home? Now students, if you see here we have been given the start timing and the duration, and we have to find the end timing. So we will use the same method. So first we will draw a line. we will mark our start timing, because in this case we know our start timing. Then we will move forward towards our end timing to find out the end timing. So here let's move forward from 11:15 a.m. we will move 6 hours and 20 minutes. So after 1 hour it will be your 12:15 p.m., 2 hours it will be 1:15 p.m., 3 hours 2:15 p.m., 4 hours 3:15 p.m., 5 hours 4:15 p.m., 6 hours it will be your 5:15 p.m. Now from 11:15 after 6 hours it will be your 5:15 p.m. We have completed the hours part. Now minutes part is remaining. So from 5:15 p.m. we will move 20 more minutes and we will reach to 5:35 p.m. That means Sheeba reached home at 5:35 p.m. Now I hope with these examples you have understood this elapsed timing.